Welcome to HairTime Coasters. We're Ray, Kim, and Piper, and today we're exploring another Six Flags adventure. We're here to find great rides, great food, and get the most out of our passes. And we'll be measuring every ride with the HairTime scale using Piper's hair to rate the airtime.
Let's ride.
Okay, first roller coaster with the new metas. Like coming home again. Yeah, Loch Ness was amazing. Yep. Yeah, I mean the pretzel's just horrible for the head banging. No. Still on?